Charlie Lee believes Litecoin market cap would overtake Bitcoin Cash market cap this year, 2018. I greet you and I wish you well. Eyime Idemudia brings you informative news from the crypto space on this channel, Bitcoin Pikin. Please subscribe to this YouTube channel for more informative news in English, Hausa, Yoruba, and in Igbo. You can also get the transcript of this video down below in the box below or in the comment box below as well. Or you can visit our website for the transcript of this video and more informative news from the crypto space. Litecoin creator Charlie Lee famously tweeted that he believes what he called the flapping, F-L-A-P-P-E-N-I-N-G, that's what the flapping, would occur, in which Litecoin would overtake Bitcoin Cash in market cap this year. In Bitcoin Cash recent bull run, Litecoin dropped from achieving a high of 62% of the contentious fork of Bitcoin to a current level of around 37%. So, was Charlie Lee wrong about his chicken team flapping? Actually, Litecoin remains superior to Bitcoin Cash in every metric except price per unit and market capitalization. Litecoin has more addresses than Bitcoin Cash. Litecoin has more transactions in 24 hours period. Litecoin has more trading volume. Litecoin is more profitable to mine than Bitcoin Cash, and Litecoin has an average block time that's about 5 times faster than Bitcoin Cash. You can actually find the link to the flapping updates in the show box below, and that's flapping.wash. You can check out the website in the description box below. Bitcoin is up around 8% since yesterday and is within the spiking distance of the $10,000 psychological barrier. Bitcoin Cash seems have stalled out of its epic run, at least for the moment, and it's slipping back down ever so slightly. At least we saw Bitcoin Cash going to as high as $1,400, and now it's actually going down to $1,200. The fork of Bitcoin still has a gain of about 70% since last week though. So we hope at the end of the day, before the end of the month, we hope Bitcoin Cash also goes up back. Ethereum is trading at over $700, which is good, up around 37% since this time last week. And Litecoin continues to march towards its $200 psychological barrier, having ascended to a price per unit of about $165. As at some days ago, as at the beginning of this week, we were seeing Litecoin at $150, and now we could see it actually trying to hit the psychological barrier of $200. And if it actually ascends there, I think it's a good one for the price of Litecoin. Actually, the price of Litecoin as at now is $165. That's up about 9% since yesterday, which is a very good, strong movement. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to this YouTube channel for more informative news from the crypto space, or you can visit our website www.bitcoinpikin.com for a transcript of this video in English, Hausa, Yoruba, and in Igbo. You can also share our videos among your friends. See you guys in my next video. Bye bye.